I'm creating my Wix site. You think you already have a stunning website? That's cool. You're welcome to skip or create your site now at Wix.com. There are hundreds of beautiful templates to choose from, and every part is completely customizable. I'm professional, and my website should be too. I just need to pick the right image. Okay, that's perfect. Wix Video is an awesome way to showcase your work. It's perfect for my reel. I need that feeling of nearness. I do. As an actor, getting noticed is a big part of the job. With Wix SEO tools, most users rank on Google's first page. Now, for all you casting directors trying to get a hold of me, I'll add a contact form using Wix Forms, add another field, and done. That looks great. Totally exciting. Go to Wix.com, create your stunning website today.
Okay, so you've turned your idea into a product. Now it's time to turn your product into a business. Selling online is easier than you think. Weebly's e-commerce platform puts all the tools you need in one place. Give your store the look you want. Just add your products and drag and drop. With integrated email marketing tools, you can reach more customers and make more sales. As orders start coming in, you're all set to get them out the door. You can even edit and manage everything from your mobile device. Shipping and taxes are easier than ever with an automatic tax calculator and real-time shipping rates. Instantly notify customers when their order is shipped. Ready to take your store to the next level? Start selling gift cards and increase orders with abandoned cart recovery. So that's how it's done. Build a store, engage with customers, sell, ship, and grow your business. All in one place. Do what you love. Weebly.
This is WebStarts. It's everything you need to create a custom website that looks great on desktop and mobile devices. WebStarts is easy to use. You don't need to know any code. Simply drag and drop text, images, and anything else where you would like it to appear. And since WebStarts is in the cloud, there's no software to download or install. Just log in from any connected device and make changes to your site. With WebStarts, you can do other things too, like capture leads with powerful forms, sell products with your very own online store, show off your writing skills with a blog, or even add live chat to your site. With WebStarts, it's all included. And when you're ready to share your website with the rest of the world, find a domain name you love and it connects to your WebStarts website instantly. And since WebStarts was built from the ground up to be search engine friendly, it's easier for people to find you on search engines like Google. But best of all, WebStarts is free. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now.
You are here, in the world's largest repository of knowledge, its grandest public forum, its most massive store. Half the world is online too, and they are shopping. But they need to find you. They need to trust you. And with the overwhelming number of shopping options out there, you need to find a way to stand out, to build a store as unique as your brand, your products. But if you want to build an e-commerce site today, you've got two choices: cookie-cutter templates or complex code. That's it. Imagine you had the power to build an experience to fit your vision, to design, build, and launch a store your way, all without writing a single line of code. Webflow e-commerce puts all that power in your hands. From homepage to product page, cart to checkout, you're in control of everything, so you can shape your customer's experience every step of the way. This is brand first commerce. This is Webflow e-commerce. Don't just build a store, build a brand.
Do you need a professional website? With Site123, you can do it yourself. Choose your website category. Make text changes in seconds. Create the perfect homepage by uploading your own images, or by choosing from our royalty-free images and videos. Add a beautiful gallery to keep your audience interested. Connect your site to social media in one click. Want to create an online store? It's easy. Add popular web apps and services like Google Maps, Forms, and more. Change the layout as many times as you want. Your site will still maintain a professional look and feel, and it will be mobile, fully responsive, and optimized for search engines. Create your professional website today with Site123. By far the easiest free website builder.
It all starts with an idea that could be shaped in many different ways. But many ways means a lot of separate tools. Meet ReadyMag, a unique web publishing tool that allows you to create everything in one place. When others limit the design experience, ReadyMag gives you a complete freedom in the creative process. Start from a blank page, or pick out a ready-to-use design that you can easily customize. Set your own guides and keep everything under your control. Drag and drop pictures right inside the browser and format them however you like. Add interactive widgets in a single click. ReadyMag's integrations with the best web services allow you to search for images, web fonts, and icons right inside the editor. And finally, you can easily make your publication responsive to any platform or device. Whatever you're working on, we know how important it is to have the right tools. Tools that give you complete freedom in the creative process and help you stay focused on your work. That's why we built ReadyMag, the tool with no limits and absolutely no coding.
Hi, and welcome to IMExpress. This is your dashboard where you can easily design, customize, and manage your site. Let's get you acquainted with this screen. Start clicking anywhere to start making the site yours. Everything is clickable. Don't worry about making a mistake. Just click Ctrl-Z or Command-Z and it's back. On the left side of your screen is your website style menu. Here you can modify basic site elements like background colors, fonts, stripe width, and even menu style. This is also where you can easily add pages to your site as you need them. Your right side menu allows you to manage that particular section of the page. We call them stripes. You can manage and add titles, text, and align it to any side you like, all with just the click of a button. You can also replace your stripe picture with a slideshow and customize that too. While we're here, did you know that you can also stretch your stripe out? Feel free to make it any size you like. Lastly, right here at the bottom of all stripes, you'll see a small blue button with a plus. This is where you can add another stripe to your page. Once you click it, you'll be able to add any type of section you want. Just pick the design you're comfortable with and hit the Add button. Good luck with your new Express site, and remember, we're always here to help you. Just click over here.
What if you could have a fully functional website in less than 2 minutes with just a few clicks without hiring a web designer or using a boring template? Meet Ada, your artificial intelligence design assistant that builds your website for you, completely unique to your needs, your business, and your content. Ada is your entrepreneurial secret weapon. With more than 650 business types to choose from, she can build anything from a responsive e-commerce store, professional business website, or even a personal portfolio. She creates exactly what you wish. Just tell Ada your business name and the sector you operate in, and in 30 seconds, she will come up with a unique design for your website. All that's left is simply editing your images and content. And if you're not 100% pleased with the result, you just tell Ada to recreate your website and she'll do it on the spot. See all the impressive things that Ada can do on bookmark.com.